morning, dear students. Today we are going to see science experiment of Archimedes principle. To verify the Archimedes principle, first we require some instruments. So starting from here, stand is here. This is a spring balance. So on this stand I am going to put this spring balance. Then this is an overflow vessel. You can see here one tap is there to this overflow vessel. This is one beaker to collect the water, and water we needed for this in this beaker, and this is a measuring cylinder. So in this measuring cylinder we can measure the expelled water. Okay. Then we need some objects of which we want to verify the loss in weight when immersed in water. Okay, and that loss in weight is equal to the amount of water which is expelled from that expelled by that object which is deep or immersed in the water. So we are going to verify this. Thank you. Now we are going to weight the objects. We are having three different types of object. One is of iron, another is of wooden, and third one is of rubber. So first we are just going to measure the weight of these with the help of this spring balance. So I am going to tie these strings to this spring balance. Okay, let's settle the object first. And now we can see the weight. It is nearby 35 grams. Okay, now we are going to write down this on one rough page. Just take a note down on one page. 35 grams. Now measure another, that is wooden block is there. So I am going to tie it here with this spring balance. Okay, make sure it is not touching to any other object. It is freely hanging. Okay, now count the number. It is 20 grams. Okay, wooden object weight is 20 grams. So this weight we are going to count here. It is weight in the air. And the last one is here rubber. We are going to hang it to this spring balance. Okay. So very less, just 9 grams. So count the weight. Okay, so just take in the rough all the weight of these three objects in air. Okay, now we have filled up this overflow vessel with water up to its brim, and now we are going to hang this spring ball, this iron ball, and we are going to insert it into the water. While inserting it in water, it is going to expel the water, so that we are collecting here in this measuring cylinder, in this beaker, and now hang it freely. Make sure that iron ball should not touches the edge of the overflow vessel. Now count the reduced weight. It is 30 gram. So initially it was 35 gram, and after inserting it in water, now it is reduced to 30 gram. And also we have collected water which is expelled by this iron object into this beaker, and now we are going to count it with the help of this measuring cylinder. Make sure that if any other previous quantity of water, if it is there, so expel that quantity, remove that quantity, and freshly add this water into this measuring cylinder and count its volume. Conclusion: the loss in weight of the body in water is equal to the weight of the water displaced by body when it is immersed in water.